There was a time when even standing felt impossible. I am Binu Radhakrishnan. I am an advocate of the High Court of Kerala. 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré Syndrome, a condition that left and changed my life completely.
Guillain-Barré Syndrome, GBS, is a rare neurological disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the peripheral nervous system. This damage disrupts nerve signals, causing rapid onset muscle weakness, tingling, or paralysis, usually starting in the legs and feet before spreading upward. Most cases follow a recent viral or bacterial infection, and while recovery can take months or even years, the majority of people eventually get better.
Walking became difficult. Even simple activities and balance became difficult. There was uncertainty, fear, and sadness. That was the first time I saw the robotic gait trainer. Honestly, first it was fear and curiosity. But slowly, session by session, G Gaiter changed my rehabilitation experience. Once felt extremely hard, became something I started enjoying. After continuous session, I started seeing real improvements in my leg, my balance, and my walking. And with every step, my confidence came back. And today, I feel twice stronger than my prime. And after recovery, I completed my second black belt in karate. I am back to the gym, games, my profession, and acting. I still remember those days when I was unable to stand, but now I am more happier, confident, and stronger in life.